Yeah, that is definitely wild and fruity. Oh my God. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of City. You know what time it is? It's cafecito time, and today I have some new coffee to share with you from Nespresso. So make sure you're subscribed and hit those notifications so you know when our videos are being uploaded. Okay, so let's get to it. Two new coffees. Well, one new coffee from Nespresso, but this time they have made it for the original line and for the virtual line. Some of the other coffees they've released recently have only been for one or the other, so it's exciting when they release one that is for both machines. And this one is called, it's from the Master Origins collection, and it's La Cumplida Refinada from Nicaragua, and that's the name of it. And just to give you a little profile, the intensities are not too high. The original is a 5, and it's an espresso size, and the Vertuo, I believe, is also a 5, and this one is a 2.7 ounce, which is like a double shot of espresso. And the aromatic profile is fruity and candied. Aromatic notes, candy, cherry, and pomegranate. So very interesting. This is something definitely that's very different from that I've had before. So yeah, I'm going to do both of them for you guys today. And I think we should try the original line first. Make sure. So this is going to be 1 shot of espresso. And let's see it. So yeah, let's see. Let's taste it. Fruity flavors, cherry, candy, pomegranate. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. And this is what the capsules look like. It has the name on it. If you guys could see that. Refinada La Cumplida Refinada from Nicaragua. And it has the name. Actually, it does not have the name on the foil, but it has it on the capsule. So let's taste this one. Okay. You know what? Let's open up the other one too, because the virtual one is bigger. And this is what the box looks like. So the box design is similar, just obviously bigger for the Vertuo and the capsule. So it has the name, same color, same name, La Cumplida Refinada on there. And on the back. So that's what that looks like. So I'm wondering if they taste the same, because I know I've heard other people say that they don't always taste the same, even though they're the same coffee for the different machines. So let's try it. Let's try let's try this again. Espresso shot. Try this again. Okay. And I'll just put this one. Okay, so let's do the aroma test. Okay, it looks pretty good, the crema, the color. It's an intensity 5. I don't really smell like cherry or pomegranate. It does smell a little fruity. Okay, let's taste it. Yeah, that is definitely wild and fruity. Oh my God. When you first take a sip, the first sip, it does give you almost like a little bit of like a sour taste. I don't know. The first sip is not good, but once you drink it and it goes down, then you get, let me taste it again. Okay, I could taste the cherry, the aftertaste, not the initial sip, but the aftertaste. Okay, that's interesting. Let's do the Vertuo. Okay, so now let's taste the Vertuo. Okay, that's very interesting because the espresso, La Cumplida Refinada, this one, you could definitely taste more sour, fruity flavors. This one is a lot less fruity and more mild. This one I could taste a little bit more of like the cherry-ness of it. It doesn't taste like cherry, but you guys know what I mean. Wow, they actually do taste a little bit different, even though they're the same coffee. The espresso is definitely more like bitter, sour, and the Vertuo is a lot more like smooth and mild. That's very interesting. Okay, let's try it with a little bit of creamer. See if that makes a difference. Let me get my little spoon to stir. You still kind of taste a little bit of the sourness. But it tastes better. Definitely tastes better with the creamer. Let's see the Vertuo. That's actually very interesting to me that they taste pretty different. I wonder if they give you recommendations here. Let's see. Okay, so it does have using natural fermentation to create a very different red fruit taste. So you do taste the fermentation for sure. They don't really give you a some of them they give you recommendations on how to drink it. This one does not. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think this is my favorite, guys. It's new, so definitely try it. It's not awful, but it's really not my favorite. I think the original line is $9 for a sleeve of 10, and the Vertuo is $12. So it's not super expensive. It's about the same price as the other ones. If I'd have to only pick one, if you have both machines, try the Vertuo. I think the Vertuo is less sour, less bitter. It's a little bit more, I almost want to say like nutty cocoa-y flavor, which is pretty good. I think if you add some sugar or syrup to it. This one, I don't know. I'm going to have to find a way to drink it because, like I said, the first initial sip is like sour. And I never had sour. I've had bitter coffee, acidic coffee, and even some of the fruity coffees are not bad. Like the Yemen one is really fruity, but this one is just like a sour taste. And I don't know if it's supposed to be that way. So for me, I would say the original Original Cumplida Refinada is a no. I will not buy these again. The Vertuo I may buy again, but like I said, I will definitely have to try it in a recipe, maybe with iced coffee, some sugar, some syrup. Yeah. So that is my taste test of the new La Cumplida Refinada by Nespresso, Master Origins. It's from Nicaragua. Intensity 5. Even though it's intensity 5, it's pretty strong. It's pretty bold. So definitely interesting. It could be the process of fermentation, which I haven't heard the other coffees being made that way. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is my review. Not one of my favorites, Nespresso. I'm not going to lie. It's not one of my favorites. Like I said, I will definitely not be buying the original line again. This one, I have to experiment and see. It's not the worst, but definitely not one of my favorites. So let me know if you are going to try this coffee. Have you already tried it? Give me your thoughts, because I was excited for this one, but little disappointed. But again, everyone has different tastes, so some people might love it, some people may not. But I always like to try them at least once and make up my own opinions. So I hope my videos help you kind of decide, but always try them for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. Try them. Definitely try them. So that's it, guys. This is my review for today. I just wanted to let you guys know about the new coffee. It was just released. Buy it if you want to try it, because as you know, they will sell out quickly. But I don't believe this is part of the limited edition, so it should be around for a while if you don't get it right away. So that's it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel. Hit the notifications so you know when our videos are uploaded. Give our videos a thumbs up if you are enjoying our coffee reviews and coffee recipes and coffee adventures. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Thanks, everyone. Bye.